What is up, people? Today we're gonna go dove hunting. Just need the camo on. We're about to go on to drive. I don't know, we'll drive about an hour north, get to the spot, and then hopefully we'll get some birds today. So catch you out the spot for the B-roll. It's early. It's like 5 a.m. So let's go and get to it.
There you go. The next day.
What is up, guys? So we are back from hunting. It's been a couple of days, probably like 1 or 2 days. It's been so tired lately because of, you know, what's going on with work and stuff. But other than that, guys, I hope y'all enjoy this episode. It's kind of different. We haven't really done any hunting on this channel, so I hope y'all do enjoy it. I have a blast. I love hunting. I never really film it, but it's the first time really kind of filming hunting side. It wasn't really crazy B-roll or anything. I apologize for that. I was just very dead tired and I wanted to get out to the spot. But other than that, guys, be sure to subscribe. Let me know. We got our really big trip coming up soon too, so we're getting ready for that. But I can tell you it's going to be a pretty awesome little series. So let me know, and I'll catch y'all later on the next episode. Peace.